this is what the perfect entry would look like. You see price consolidating, and then you see price manipulate lower. Following that, you see price break above this structure, leaving a nice area of imbalance and an order block. You can enter inside this imbalance, inside the order block, wherever you want. Now, you're going to see these trades all the time. What is going to make this the highest probable entry? And that is if you're on a higher time frame. Now, if you look at the higher time frame, you can see price has come lower into this bullish fair value gap right here. And when you zoom back into this area on a smaller time frame, you can see this trade is playing out inside a higher time frame point of interest area, meaning this is the perfect setup. Now, the harsh reality is this doesn't happen every time. There are going to be differentials in the way you enter the market, but if you can focus on being disciplined to only wait for the perfect buy model or the perfect sell model within a higher time frame point of interest, I promise you, you will see a massive turn on your trading results. It just takes discipline and time and experience within the markets to get there.